Howdy, y'all. Well, did you miss me?
It really is the best of us. All of our Western traditions and heritage right here. The 105th Douglas County Fair and Rodeo is in the books. For your Board of County Commissioners, the County Fair is a lot like throwing the biggest event of the year for 400,000 of your best friends and neighbors. We're so thankful that because of you, nearly every event sold out.
Thank you for attending and being part of the 2023 Farm to Table event. Now we're cooking.
Our second annual Farm to Table event was a record success. It also sold out even though we doubled capacity. For the first time this year, we had the opportunity to host the Exceptional Rodeo.
How about a big hand for these athletes?
Including the most special families in our community, trying their hand at a variety of rodeo events. This was a partnership with CSU's Temple Grandin Equestrian Center, and we couldn't have been more thrilled and encouraged by this amazing event. Being there firsthand and getting to interact directly with some of the most special individuals in our community.
There you go. Woo-woo, good job.
Giving out trophies and really honoring their experience was an incredible event for Douglas County. And we've got to talk about the rodeo.
Rodeo fans, the Colorado Stars and Stripes.
We now have nationally ranked PRCA athletes coming to Douglas County to compete. We had sellout crowds every night, and you got to witness some really incredible athleticism. This isn't just a fair for the pros. Every year, we also host the Junior Livestock Auction, where young people who dedicate their time and energy to raising animals come and sell those animals for our community. It's a reflection to all of us of our Western heritage and where our food comes from. Our carnival is so big and bright, you can nearly see it from space. So many family and friends and neighbors gather here to enjoy all of the attractions and food. And if you listen closely, you might hear the sound of joy, which is always the goal of your Board of County Commissioners, volunteers, staff, the Fair Board and Fair Foundation, and making Douglas County Fair and Rodeo the best in the state. On behalf of the Board of Douglas County Commissioners, thank you for celebrating the best county in the state with your friends and family.